Dear Capricorns, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. So before we start our tarot card reading for the month of August 2020, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share with your known contacts so that it will help me and it will help others also. Thank you for doing your part. And now let's begin with your tarot reading. Let's see what the card holds for you for the month of August 2020. So, dear Capricorn, yeah, this is the first card, which is Page of Swords. So, a lot of ideas coming into your mind, flowing in your mind, right? So, this month is bringing you a lot of ideas. How to you find yourself full of ideas, full of energy, which is giving you what to do, what next to do, what this, that, and you will be occupied with these kind of ideas coming with you, and yes, and you will be able to express them also properly. So this is quite a good energy where you feel motivated about your work, where you feel, yes, if I am doing this, why not I can do something else, why not I can do the next level also. So these kind of ideas which can uplift your career mostly. And yes, I'm saying because this is mostly related to your career, to your profession, to your business, and not to your personal life, not to your emotional life. Okay, so let's look more into that. Yeah, so this card is, there's this energy this month. You will be full of ideas of to that thinking about which can, which can take your business, which can take your career to the next level. So you will be making so many of this, these kind of plans. You want to experiment, or yeah, you will be talking to people also, to people who are already experienced, or someone's SMEs, I mean expertise from a particular, from that particular field. So you also would be meeting them and you will be expressing your ideas to them. At the same time, I also say ki yes, let's understand more clearly with your second and third card. Okay, and then I have your second card, which is Ten of Cups, and this is a kind of satisfaction. That is what this Ten of Cups giving you, and it's a satisfaction that what you get from your, this is a kind of satisfaction that you get from your family, that you get from your relationships. So that's actually make a content contented feeling. Yes, yeah, this is what I wanted to have. And it also points out that probably few of you are looking for some new home. That there can be a new home ceremony happening, there can be a home warming ceremonies happening in your life, or there can be marriages also. If anyone is looking for marriage alliances for yourself or for your kids, for your children, for your known, for your family members, yes, so there is a possibility of alliances happening, good alliances happening in your family again or with you. Okay, so it's like, you feel contented here, you feel like a good family support from your, if not, if you're already married, then probably a support from your better half can also be expected this month. And then what I'm seeing, the third card is, this is a death card. It doesn't mean that no death, the card doesn't mean death in real, but this says this gives you new dimensions, new directions actually. Yes, it's better to say new directions in your life, change of change of direction actually, which you will be experiencing this month, dear Capricorn. So something which is not good probably this month is giving you a direction which is good for you. Probably if you are struggling with a relationship and which is not good for you, then this is a direction before you end up losing something there. If it's a career, if it's a profession also, before you end up losing something there, before you end up losing yourself. So this card is actually in between only. It says no, just take this turn, take a right turn from here onwards. No, don't go straight, because that path is not good, that doesn't belong to you. Just take this turn, and where you may be landing up in a good place again, in a better place actually. So this is, if we see the three cards, right, which is giving us full of ideas again. So I feel yes, there is a diversion coming in your life, and then which is, where you are actually looking for more ideas. Because of this diversion, now you are actively thinking about new things, new possibilities again, and you will be able to consult people to to put your ideas, or to put your ideas into reality. So this is, can be the possibility here. And then the third card, as it says, yeah, good family support also with this diversion. Okay, so this is what I think, that is how it makes sense for you, dear Capricorn, or to me. All right, and then I have your energy card here, which is Magician and the Mirror. So this card is giving you the energy of a magician actually, that says that you have the power now. You have the power to write your own story. Wonderful. So it is giving you the power to write your own story, the story of your life. Just think how beautifully you can write this, because there is a new diversion in your life now. So why not make this path more beautiful, make this path, just enjoy this path, and take this path to a better end. Okay, and whatever you want to do. So this is the card, this is the energy which is coming to you this month, in the month of August 2020, where you can focus more on your on what you are seeking, and you can turn things in your favor. So this kind of energy is what is going to, it's a very powerful energy. So make good use of it. What I suggest is, yes, make good use of it, because it has the power to help you in realizing your dreams also. Okay, so think big, act big. And then I have your message from the universe. It's simple and very lovely message, and this says, when I think I have surrendered, I surrender more. So when you realize that you have surrendered yourself to the universe, and what happens when we surrender to the universe? Of course, if you try doing this, I have tried this many number of times. When we surrender to the universe, yeah, and then what happens is we start getting good directions, better directions. We start, the universe start blessing us. This universe start getting, giving us the things what we actually looking for, or what is best for us. So we are going to be served by the universe when we start surrendering to the universe. And when you think that you have surrendered, and when you experience this kind of benefit coming from the universe, of course you want to surrender more, isn't it? So why not try this trick this month? Okay, and let me know, what did you surrender, how did you surrender, and what is that you got in return. Okay, so with this I wind up for this month again. And if you're looking for any suggestions from me, do let me know, dear Capricorns. I see you again in the next coming month. Till then, do take care, and bye bye.